Here's what we're unpacking today, folks. I've boiled down the strategies of Singapore's richest investors into 5 juicy takeaways, each with a what, why, and how to make it stick. First, we've got diversification to dodge risk. It's about not putting all your eggs in one basket, and it matters because it keeps your money safe when one sector stumbles. It's a foundational move for any smart investor's journey. Second, there's the long-term mindset, holding investments for years to let them grow big, which is key because it beats chasing quick wins that often flop. This is the golden nugget of wealth building. Third, we'll dive into sector specialization, sticking to what you know best, which works because expertise gives you an edge over the crowd. Fourth, emotional discipline, keeping your cool when markets swing, vital for avoiding panic moves that tank your portfolio. Finally, building a core business, starting strong in one area before branching out, a strategy that's proven to create lasting wealth step by step. Hey friends, today we're diving into something pretty exciting. Millionaires Mentor You, Singapore's top investing secrets revealed. Most people think you need a fat wallet or a fancy degree to invest like the pros, right? Well, I'm here to flip that on its head. I've dug into the playbook of Singapore's richest minds. Think billionaires like Peter Lim and Goh Cheng Liang, and I've got 5 simple, actionable secrets that anyone can use to start building wealth. I've been guiding thousands of you through the wild world of investing, and today, I'm spilling the tea on how these tycoons do it. We'll cover 5 game-changing strategies, from dodging risk to thinking long-term, so stick with me. Now, let's make it official. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Iggy, and I've been covering topics like stocks, finance, CPF, and everything related to growing your wealth. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2024 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers, with over 768,000 reads and 53,000 likes. I've produced over 700 videos with more than 300,000 watch hours as of December 2024. I also focus on regional and world economy topics, so you're in good hands. Let's jump in. All right, let's kick things off with our second best secret, diversification to dodge risk. Imagine you're at a buffet, and you don't just pile your plate with one dish, right? You grab a bit of chicken rice, some satay, maybe a laksa on the side. That's what diversification is, spreading your money across different sectors like real estate, healthcare, or banking. Take Wee Cho Yaw, a legend who grew United Overseas Bank into a powerhouse across 19 countries, then sprinkled some real estate into the mix with UOL. Or Peter Lim, who's got his claws in healthcare, sports, and even education. Why does this matter? If one sector takes a hit, say, property prices dip, your other investments keep you afloat. It's like having a safety net for your cash, and it's a must-have move for anyone starting their investing journey. So, how do you do it? Start small, maybe some stocks in tech, a bit in property, and watch how it balances your risk. Now here's the real gem, the long-term mindset. This one's my favorite, folks, because it's how the big dogs like Peter Lim turned millions into billions. Peter once said he holds investments for 5 to 12 years, treating them like a good HDB flat you don't flip overnight. Picture planting a durian tree. It doesn't bear fruit tomorrow, but give it time, and you're rolling in riches. This matters because chasing short-term gains is like betting on the weather. You might win, but you'll probably get soaked. Instead, Lee Seeding bets on tech startups through Vertex Holdings, letting them grow over years into global players. How does this fit in? It's the backbone of wealth building. Pick solid investments, sit tight, and let time do the heavy lifting. Trust me, patience pays off more than panic. That's a game changer, but wait till you hear this next one. Sector specialization. Ever wonder why some folks seem to strike gold every time? It's because they stick to what they know. Kwek Ling Beng and Robert and Philip Ng are real estate wizards, turning prime land into hotels and malls with City Developments Limited and Far East Organization. Lee Seeding, meanwhile, dives deep into tech and healthcare, spotting winners like tomorrow's big apps. Why is this a big deal? When you know a sector inside out, you're not guessing, you're playing with a stacked deck. For your journey, pick one area you're curious about, maybe tech or property, and study it like it's your favorite Netflix series. Knowledge is your superpower here. Okay, let's shift gears, emotional discipline. Picture this, the market's up, you're dancing, it's down, you're hiding under the bed. Sound familiar? Peter Lim says, don't do that. When stocks rise, don't get too happy. When they fall, don't get too sad. It's like staying calm during a hawker center rush. You don't ditch your queue just because it's slow. This is huge because emotions can trick you into selling low or buying high, wrecking your gains. Look at Go Cheng Liang, who built a paint empire with Wathalam Holdings without blinking at every market hiccup. How do you pull this off? Set your goals, stick to your plan, and tune out the noise. Anyone else struggle with this? If so, grab my free investing checklist. It's got a step-by-step to keep you cool when the market's wild. Finally, let's talk building a core business. Go Cheng Liang didn't just wake up rich. He started with paint in 1949, nailed it with Nippon Paint, then branched into property like Liang Court Mall. It's like building a Lego tower. Get the base solid, then add more floors. Why is this key? A strong foundation gives you cash flow and confidence to expand. We Cho Yaw did it with UOB before hitting real estate. For you, it's about finding one thing you're good at, maybe a side hustle, and growing it before spreading out. It's the slow and steady path to big wins. Quick question, friends. Which of these hits home for you? Diversifying or staying calm under pressure? I've seen folks double their gains just by picking one and running with it. These tycoons prove it's not about luck, it's about strategy. So there you have it, friends. 5 secrets from Singapore's richest minds, unpacked just for you. We've covered diversification to dodge risk, the long-term mindset to grow big, sector specialization for an edge, emotional discipline to stay sharp, and building a core business for lasting wealth. You're now armed with the same playbook billionaires use, ready to dodge rookie mistakes and build your own empire. Take one of these, test it out, and watch the magic happen. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite strategy from today? Drop it in the comments below or tell me your biggest investing win. For more tips like this, check out my video on 4 stocks paying you extra cash now. It's a perfect next step to level up your game. See you there, friends.